Welcome to the Video Studio Training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to upload and host your videos in a video studio. Go to the left menu and click on Video. Now upload your video from local. Add a description of your video. And your video will be uploaded. You can see your uploaded video in the Manage Video section. You can view, edit, or download your video. You can embed your video on any platform, and you can also share your video on social platforms. Thanks for watching the video.